I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for Google Sheets. So I'm going to create a couple different videos here that hopefully will all be less than 5 minutes, showing how to use this exact same prompt in different AI platforms. This gave me the idea last night is I was helping my mom create a Google Sheet, and without using AI, we were doing it the old-fashioned way. We were adding up numbers, finding averages, typing in all the different cells, creating formulas, and then it occurred to me that AI could be helping with this. So let's get started. At the top here, I already have a tab open for ChatGPT, so I'm going to open that. And you can see the prompt that I put in at the top. This is the same prompt I'm putting in on all of the different AI platforms. And I said that I needed to create a spreadsheet for expenses. I told them that I wanted the columns for specific things and that it should show these for the 12 months of the year. Now, the response ChatGPT gave, you can see here, is more like directions telling me how to create the spreadsheet. And that's because of the way that I formulated the prompt, saying that I need to create a spreadsheet. So it told me how I should create a spreadsheet. But in reality, I wanted it to create the spreadsheet for me. So I realized down at the bottom, I needed to put in a new prompt. And so I put in here, create the spreadsheet with the information above. And ChatGPT pretty much did that for me. It let me know that it could not actually make the spreadsheet for me, but it could give me the formula or the code that I could use. And so this is the code. Now, as the average person who doesn't code all the time or who might not be familiar with this, it's a little intimidating. This does not look like a regular spreadsheet. But ChatGPT goes ahead and it gives you directions on how you can put this into Excel or Google Sheet. And if you look right here where it says copy code in the top right corner, I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to go ahead and open up a blank Google Sheet. And in the A1 cell over here, I'm going to do Control V, and it pastes the code directly from ChatGPT that I had copied. Now, again, this doesn't look like you want it to look. So down here, you see this little clipboard. I'm going to click on that arrow and split text to columns. I'm going to click on that. And there's a separator function that comes up. I'm going to click on that arrow, and there are no commas. There aren't semicolons or periods or spaces. I want to address these lines here. So I go to custom, and I'm going to actually put in control, and I hold down, oh, look at this, that did it quickly, the button to separate with that line break, and it just did it for me. It took out the line breaks and it fixed the columns accordingly. It even has the formulas down here to find the totals. Now I don't need the numbers column here, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And let's see, I think if I right click there, delete column. Yep, got rid of that. I don't need rows 1. I'm going to hold down control and hit 2. So they're both highlighted. Right click my mouse and delete selected rows. So now those are gone. Perfect. And from here you can do your different formatting. If you want to change the color up there, you go to the bucket. Let's say I want to do blue or something different because blue's already up there. I'll do this color. Okay, so you can see here how we went from ChatGPT, this code, pretty quickly, under 5 minutes, we were able to get it directly into a spreadsheet. And yes, I do know that there are ChatGPT extensions that you can use, which I do have up here already in my sheets. I just am not as familiar with using them. So this is one way that if you're not used to extensions, that you can just use ChatGPT to create a spreadsheet and easily put it over. Try it out. See how you like it. Look for my next video on Claude.